Hey guys, welcome to Shojib Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create mission objectives for your game that includes activating, completing and deactivating missions. And after you finish mission 1, mission 2 will get activated and then you have to finish mission 2. I'll be using the game SDK sample project that includes some of the assets that I'll be using, including the human character and some of the terrain and vegetation. If you don't know how to import those assets, please watch my other videos. So let's get started. So I have the project open. I'm going to go to create a new level. I'm going to level 4. I'm going to keep the resolution small. So let's go back to the CryEngine client and click on the wheel and reveal in Explorer. So we're in the project folder right now. Go to Game SDK and so go to level and you're going to go to level data and the objectives.xml file. We'll be editing the objective.xml file. This is where the mission objectives go in. So right now we have 2 missions. We're going to make some changes to this. We're going to keep 2 missions and we have our level. So our name of the mission would be find the fishing cabin. And in the description would say you have found the fishing cabin. So for mission 2 we'll say something like secure the sawmill. And in the description we'll put you have secured the sawmill. So let's go back to our sandbox, and now we're going to create some variables. So you can call that game tokens. So go to Tools, Database, View, and here go to Game Tokens. And we'll be creating 6 game tokens, 3 for mission 1, 3 for mission 2. That's like mission 1 completed, no, mission 1 activated, mission 1 completed, and mission 1 deactivated. Separate them by hyphen or underscore. So let's go back to the sandbox, and we're going to go to the static mesh entity, and we're going to place the cabin, the fishing cabin that we created for mission 1. Yeah, this will do it, and we're going to make sure it's facing the center because we'll be coming in from the center. Yeah. So we're gonna use the entity container to store all our entities, including the house, the game objectives, all the things that we'll be creating in the future. And so yeah, so we just make sure rename it so that you don't get confused. And choose the fishing cabin add component and pick point light. So we'll be, make sure it's not pitch black inside. We might have to add extra light outside as well. Yeah, if you go to legacy entities and triggers, and you can find the area trigger there. So we just added one. It could put it near the area where the trigger will take place. and go to area and put a box here. This is an invisible box. We'll be linking this to the area trigger. So I'm going to put it like in the house. So right after you enter the door, that's when the area will be triggered. Select the box on the right side, area property. Yeah, on the target tool, click on it and link it to the area trigger. Yeah, let's put all the entities in the container for the sake of organizing it. So now we have the area box trigger linked to the area trigger. Mission object could be found in the legacy entities as well. So go to others and mission objective. Put it there. You can put it anywhere near that mission 1. Yeah, maybe we can change the name of the container to mission 1 container. So select the mission objective and on the right side properties, go to on the mission ID, click on that icon there, and we're going to so these are the tokens that we created earlier. So we're going to link it to mission 1 because this is the mission 1 objective. Press OK. So we're going to create an empty entity and we're going to use that to create our flowchart. So we're going to name it as a mission flowchart, something like that. We'll be putting flowchart for mission 1 and 2 as well. You can keep them separate if you want. But for since we only have 2 missions, it's not going to be too much. So we're going to name it mission flowchart. And then on the right properties, click on open. That will open the flowchart. So once you have the flowchart open, we're going to create a game start node. You can do it by right click or you can do press Q. Go to game and start. Right click, add node, mission, game token get. Link that on the right side of the properties. So click on the right icon of the token. You're going to select your mission 1 activated because we're going to set the value to true. Set the value to true. So when the game starts, mission 1 will get activated. And then we're going to set the mission 1 game activated token into true. So select the area trigger and add it to in the flowchart by right click, add selected entity. So we're going to do the same thing, add node, mission, game token get. Yeah, we're going to do the same thing we have done for the other game token. So when we enter, we're going to trigger this and we're going to set the game token mission 1 completed to true. So we're going to add node, mission, game token. Now in here we're going to pick mission 1 completed and compared to is going to be true. Compared to true. So we're just checking that make sure we've completed the mission 1. If it's true, then we're going to deactivate mission 1. And yeah, so game token get, and this is going to be the deactivated token because we're going to set the variable to true because mission 1 is completed, mission 1 is deactivated. Because in the future we're going to use this to activate mission 2. So in the sandbox, click on mission objective 1, add selected entity, and then we're gonna get all the tokens, all the 3 tokens for mission 1, and assign one by one to the mission objective. Because if you see in the motion objective, it takes inputs, 3 inputs, which is activated, completed, and deactivated, right? So what I'm doing is I'm setting the game tokens for mission 1, activated mission 1, completed mission 1, deactivated. Make sure all these 3 game tokens are set to true. Mission objective 1 is completed when they're all true. So let's add a comment box and name it mission 1. So we have finished mission 1, and we can you can change the color of the comment box or whatever you do is totally up to you. But the logic is set for mission 1. This is an easy and dirty way of doing it. This could be done a lot better, dynamic way. You could do it in the code as well. Yeah, you can like reduce the window size and put it in your sandbox so that you can debug it. And also you have to click on the debug icon. So let's get into the game. See, the HUD says new mission. It's hard to see, but in the center, look at the center. It says new mission flashing, and on the left top corner it says find the fishing cabin. So it's a new mission. On the left says find the fishing cabin. So we're going to enter the house, and it's going to trigger the area, and it says mission complete. So we have finished our mission 1. And see the flowchart. The mission objective is all highlighted because all the 3 game tokens are true now. Now if I come back here to mission 1, nothing's going to happen because we have finished mission 1. Yeah, see that all of them are activated because we have completed mission 1 objective, and that's how the floats are really helpful. And make sure the debug icon is set. Now we're going to work on mission 2. We have to create the entities. So we have to create a sawmill and put some human enemies there. So if you go to static mesh entity, you will find the sawmill there. Yeah, so go to add component and add point light, and so that it lights up the place. Also make sure the rigid body type is set to static. So this looks fine. So let's rename this to sawmill, and we're going to do the same thing for mission 1 container. We're going to add a container. Let's find a container. Other. Yeah, let's put the container here, and we're going to put everything in that entity container. Let's rename it to mission 2 container. So go to legacy entities and go to AI character and add 1 human there, and we're going to make little changes, and then we're going to duplicate that and put it there, and put like 3 more. Yeah, we're going to reuse the attack range and also the sight range as well. If you see the circle near the AI, it changes every time I change the sight range. Yeah, so I'm going to duplicate this once I'm happy with the properties. I'm going to add 4, put it in different location. Let's put 1 here. Go and put them in every corner pretty much. Yeah, so that goes the 4 AI human that I placed. Now click on the flowchart, mission flowchart, and open on the flowchart. We're going to copy the mission 1 flowchart and make some changes. So we need to add a mission objective for mission 2. Legacy entities, others, and mission objective. And let's put it inside the mission 2 container. Click on mission objective 2, and on the right side click on mission ID on the right side, and we're going to select mission 2. Yeah, select mission objective and then add the selected entity here. Select the mission objective 2. When the mission 1 is completed, we're going to activate game 2, mission 2. We're going to remove that, and we have to add all the humans one by one, because when all the humans are dead, there are four human NPC, right, guarding the sawmill. So for mission 2 to be completed, we have to, okay, so right click and add select entities. Once you select 4 of them, and you'll see 4 of them get selected. So right click, add node logic, and so we're going to check, it takes 2 booleans, right? So we have 4, so we need 2 and logic. So we can like say if human 1 and human 2 are dead, and if human 3 and human 4 are dead. So that's the 2. So the second one is for the human 3 and human 4. This is the easy and dirty way of doing it. It could be, you could put it in a loop and check all the humans and make sure they're all dead, and then you can, put that to the game token. So I'm going to put another one. I'm going to check if make sure both ands are true and logics are true. So this checks that all 4 of them are dead. Then I'm going to trigger mission 2 completed. So if all of these are true, we're going to trigger this game token, and we're going to change this to, remember we copied this from mission 1, we're going to change, make sure you change it to mission 2. Mission 2 completed. All right, and the value is, and also make sure you change this, because make sure comparing to mission 2 completed, and the compared to value is true because it's the same for mission 2 as well. And for the mission 2 deactivated, make sure you change that as well. And also we have to change all these 3 as well to mission 2. It's going to be the same, and we have to bring in mission objective 2. So you can copy and paste mission objectives, because you have to grab mission objective 2 from the sandbox and then right click, add select entity. Again, change all these to mission 2. Activated, mission 2 completed, and mission 2 deactivated. Yeah, and connect all these 3 to your mission objective 2. So we're going to delete that. We're going to do a game token, and we're going to compare against if mission 1 is deactivated compared to true. You can also do is you can link that to mission objective 1 as well. So this is a easy and dirty way of doing it. So let's see if we can debug this. Alright, so we know that mission 1 works, so we just want to see if mission 2 get triggered. So let's finish mission 1. So mission 1 is completed, and alright, so the previous approach would have worked as well, because it did kind of work, but this is another way of doing it. And now we have to eliminate, we have to kill all the 4 humans. Let's go do that. So let's do it again, and let's do the, okay, now we finished mission 1. Now we're gonna go to mission 2. We need machine gun for this, because we don't want to die in our own game. So we're gonna take out the ones over here, see if we can. Alright, we took him out. Alright, we took out the first one. We don't want to die in our own game. Is it still out? Oh, it's still there. It's still shooting me. Oh, shit. Alright, first one is done. See, the logic is getting highlighted. I think we killed human 2, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna go around and take out probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 maybe. Human 3 or 4. I can hardly see from here. Did I take him out? Yeah, we took him out. We took, I think, 4 and 2 maybe. I can see it from here. Alright, this is human 1. Alright, we took human 1. So we have 3 only. Oh sure, this is going to be hard. I'm going to try to throw a grenade. See if this one dies. Okay, I'm going to go around the other way. Take him out. I don't think it's out yet though. Is it? So press F to pick up rifle. This is a default. I didn't do this. It came with the character, I think. Oh, there you go. Human 1. Alright, you have completed the mission. We have, yeah, mission complete. See that? It's flashing. And see, all the mission objective is highlighted. Let's zoom in. Let's bring it together. Yeah, there you go. Mission 1 is highlighted. All of them activated. Set to true. Now let's go to mission 2. Mission 2 all activated. Yes, we have done it. So yeah, I mean, that's it for the video. I mean, you don't have to do the rest of it. I'm just gonna make, add some terrain stuff and vegetation. So this part you don't have to do. I'm going to fast forward this and do the enter process, and then I'm going to play the game again. So I finished the terrain, added some vegetation and road. One thing I have to add is I'm going to add a spawn point. So if you go to legacy entities, and under others you have a spawn point, put it here. Select the spawn point, go to flowchart, add selected entity, and we're just gonna, when the game starts, we're gonna spawn. When you spawn, we're going to trigger. We have added the spawn point, and this is another way of doing this. So I'm going to do is go to mission 1 container and click on mission objective 1. Go back to the flowchart, add selected entity. So this is the mission 1 objective. So when the mission 1 objective is completed, I'm going to trigger mission 2, and also in between the trigger, the message flashes, right? So that make sure we see the message. So right click in between the in line and add a time delay. We're going to add a time delay of 5 seconds. All right, so that we see the message. So this seems to be a better way because we want the mission objective to be finished. All right, let's go to the game. Wait, what have I done? Put this here. Make sure the debug is on. All right, let's focus on this and start the game again. So we know the mission 1 works and the how it works. So we finished mission 1 and let's wait for mission 2. Okay, there you go. We have a new mission. It says secure the sawmill, and look at the flow chart. So we have mission 2 activated. How did it get in there? Alright, so we have taken down one. If you see the one of the human got eliminated. This is human 1. This is probably human 2 or 3. Alright, we have taken another one out. Alright, we have one more to go. Oh, mission completed. All right, see the flowchart? These are all activated, and yes, we can go home now. Let's check out the terrain. I've done this quick way. I have added like some kind of random grass, vegetation, a nice path that takes you to mission 1, and some trees, random trees. It's not bad, right? Alright, I hope you guys liked it. Please smash the like button and please subscribe to show your support. Until next time, goodbye.